with a wiring problem.
What do you need it for?
So have you figured it out?
I think so, yeah. We're figuring it out right now.
Where are you guys at?
Tony.
We got the last match with you guys, so where are you at? What can you and what can't you do?
What can we do?
Nothing.
You can do nothing. What do you need?
That will go through.
You want that wheel to do what? So explain to me what that means.
That the wheel does not turn.
We didn't get it to turn.
We don't.
Good?
Okay, give it to me, Randy. What's going on?
All right, well, so far we've been running okay, but lately it's been problematic. We've been having troubles with programming and wiring right now. The last round we were at was a complete halt. Right now we're trying to figure that out so we can get it running.
And now, when is it, your next event? Is it 10:36?
10:30, huh? The next round we're in is round 92.
Round 92, okay.
Yeah.
And that'll be at what time?
I'm not sure.
It's like
Time.
10:36.
10:36?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys gonna be ready?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Were you here last year, Randy?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been here for 3 years.
Okay. And so this is the, what's the name of the team?
The ZOMBOTS.
The ZOMBOTS from Vallejo.
Any more questions?
I think that'll be it until now. Are you going to, who's going to be the driver?
Who's gonna be the driver? Natalie.
Who is?
Natalie.
Oh, Natalie. Natalie.
Yeah.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Natalie's driving. Was she driving today?
Yeah.
Previous to now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your full name, Randy?
My full name?
Yeah.
Randy Lee Smith.
Okay. And what on your team? What are you actually? What's your specialty?
I'm mostly mechanical, but I can work anything if needed.
Okay. All right. We're going to get right back to you in a second. Okay. Now what's your name?
Kyle Cueto.
Give me your full name.
Kyle J. Cueto.
Okay. And what is your specialty?
I am mostly mechanical.
And what do you think about the robot right now? The condition of the robot right now?
Honestly, it has a lot of potential. We're just trying to get to work the way we want it to.
Okay. You don't have
Match 9-4.
Natalie doing over there right now.
Match 9.
She's trying to get all the programming and electrical synced so it works properly.
Okay. Who is your autonomous engineer?
That would be James Felder, our programmer.
James over there. All right, James. Hand over the microphone. Hey, James, where are we at right now?
Right now, we're making sure that our tele-op works so we can compete in our last match. It should work. And right now, it looks like our drive works. Yeah. Yeah, like it works.
The FemBot should be queuing.
I don't know, I wasn't listening.
All right, who are you?
I'm Tony Brider. I'm working on the electrical for the spot.
Okay, and are you able to resolve the issues, you think?
Yeah, all those issues are actually resolved at the moment.
Okay, so you're going to be ready here at 10:36?
Yeah, we're probably going to be ready after we put this back on.
Okay, very good. See you on the court.
All right.
Here at the Sacramento Championships at Davis, California on March 15th, 2014. Future engineers. You can do it. Come on. So here's Natalie. What's your last name, Natalie?
Medina?
O'Day. And you are the driver?
Yes, I'm the
You've
driver.
been driving all week?
Yes, basically.
Okay, so you got to figure it out now.
Queuing match
You and James got to figure it out from the autonomous mode how to take off. Come on, it's all right.
I'm thinking.
All right, that a girl. Okay, I'll catch up with you on the court.
Okay.
All right. Natalie's a little nervous here. Everybody here's a little nervous. Putting some teamwork together to roll out their 2014 Robotics ZOMBOTS. All right, Derek.
Hi, I'm Derek Nola. I'm from the next door over, Team 2761. I'm from Team 2761, Iron Horse. From.
You are assisting here?
Yes. So I'm the lead programmer for the my team. So I'm here helping you guys out and just looking through your code, making sure everything works. And then they wanted to put limit switches in, and so the limit switches.
Appreciate your help in networking together is probably important first, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Basically, helping each other. I know more.
Yeah. That's your arm?
So, all right, Raj, give me your name there.
Well, Dr. Raj.
Okay. And what are you teaching? You're a teacher at Vallejo High School?
Right now I'm teaching math, but if they need me, I can do the other subjects too. Science, programming, physics.
All right, so tell me about the robotics team, what your thoughts are on it.
Well, I'm impressed. We got a bunch of rising stars who are going to remain with the team for at least 2-3 years more.
Okay.
So you got a good nucleus, great learning experience, grow on it and improve upon it next year.
Mostly re-engineering, would you say?
Just keep growing, learning, and collaborating. So
Collaboration is a big part of first.
Right, and learning.
Yeah.
So we will do the programming, we will do the...
That's why we just got this other young man over here from another team over here helping out. So
right,
that,
and that's the beauty of the competition. I'm seeing everybody help each other out. It's not a competition, it's almost like a fun workshop now.
yeah, hands-on collaboration.
Yep.
And that's how they learn the most. And who's the sponsors there, Raj?
Well, you got NASA, you got Google, Ace, Mountain Mikes, Bulldog Machining, Nova. Who else is there? Bryn Wojcicki,
And
Skyview.
Buck Camphausen?
Camphausen, yeah.
Yeah.
We're all over there. Minimum Press, Agrico, U.S. Army Corps.
This is what education's about.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Raj.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No.
No? What do you got, James?
This is a similar breakout. This is what controls it going up and down.
Is it working correctly?
This one that's currently on here isn't working correctly. It makes it go up, but it's not releasing the air to make it go back down.
Oh, okay.
Once you get in, so we have to replace it.
Batch 9-8.
Are you training her? Good job. Thank you all.
Okay, go.
My name's Alizé Sarmiento, and on the team I am part of the media and marketing and mechanical. I was at pits all day yesterday and the first day trying to figure out what was wrong with the robot, and so many problems, so many issues, but today we got it all figured out and we're ready to go out on the field.
First year on the team?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Alizé Sarmiento,
Very good. And what year are you at school?
my freshman year.
Freshman year. Oh, you're going to be here for a while.
Yeah.
And here is
Anything is built with
come on. Who are you?
Rosie Brighter,
All right. And are you a freshman or?
freshman.
That's the first year on the team.
Yeah.
And what's your specialty?
Media and marketing.
Okay. So what got you into being on the robotics team?
My brother. Yeah.
And so you'll be here for the 4 years?
Yeah.
Re-engineering.
What?
Okay. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
All right. You been here all week?
Yeah, I've been here since Thursday.
Okay. I'm going to catch up with you later on at the end of the day.
Okay.
Catch an interview and see what your thoughts are at that time.
Okay.
All right.
How are these limit switches hooked up? Because this one's not hooked up to a motor.
Open-toed shoes are not allowed, so if you've got flip-flops or thongs or you're barefooted, that also qualifies as
Hang on.
But this is
right. We're here at Davis with
Taylor Coble.
Right. And what is your job on the crew?
With me, I'm mainly lead media marketing, so I'm the one who gets money for our team and instructs the rookies on how to do that in the future, as well as lead Spirit.
Is that what you're thinking about, media for a career?
What I actually want to do is work into the architecture field and go as well as with business and work my way up the ranks.
All right. Let's come over here and you can talk about the sponsors. Why don't you get down the list here, your sponsors?
Yeah. All right, so first up, of course, we have Google and NASA. Then this next one actually is our very first sponsor, Skyview Memorial. That's actually how we got our name. We were like, hey, we're sponsored by dead people. So then we came up with the idea of zombie robots.
Okay.
Next, we have Ace. We get a lot of our material from there. It's Nova. That is one of them, yes.
Okay.
Nova Group, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Last year we actually did a pipe inspection robot named Charles for them. Had a camera, tank drive. Next up we have Machete Espresso, which basically with them we do fundraisers and they give us coffee that we sell and it helps us as well as them. Clemish Inc., collision repair specialists. They are in Vallejo and they are also a sponsor. Bulldog Machining, Lions International, Miniman Press, which was the former mentor's family as well, which is where we got a lot of our stuff. A Greco, Bolero in Benicia, and Mountain Mike's in Vallejo.
And you have some, at Mountain Mike's, you have some fundraisers over there?
We do. What we end up doing is calling them about maybe a month in prior, and what happens is we end up printing out flyers, and from there we hand them out, and normally 15 to 20% of what they make comes to us.
Excellent. We're going to catch up with you later in the show.
All right.
That to die. Yeah? Because it was dying when we had to play.
From these matches on, please go to inspection station for a final wait before the end of the matches.
I didn't know there was a charger over there. That's our last match. Wait, we're on cue, right? Yeah. Yeah, but we have to go inspect that last match. I want those 2 out. Huh? No, just leave them there. Those are the spare jacks. So then all we have to do is switch out a circuit board. And that's it. We'll switch out a breaker.
Alright, I'm ready to test it.
Doesn't go to driver's license.
Watch out.
We're just trying to make a barrier.
Let's
I don't want those to cross.
My name is Willie Mitchell, and I'm enjoying myself. My professional background is engineering. I have a degree in petroleum engineering, chemistry, and industrial safety. My son goes to St. Patrick, St. Vincent. His name is Andrew, and they're trying to start a robotics club at St. Patrick, St. Vincent School. I've already gotten sponsorship from someone already. And Andrew, anything you want to say?
Yes, this competition is very nice, very well organized, and it's really cool.
I really like the competition. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is. But I really love the robotics competition over here, and even my son coming to work with the students at Vallejo High School. It was pretty good, pretty good.
It puts together computers, science, math.
He's done all those things together. So it's only fortunate that this school, Vallejo High School, has those types of things. St. Patrick, St. Vincent is just trying to get up to speed with robotics and other science things. We've already gotten an astronomy club that we started, and we'll be going out later this month to look at the stars and constellations.
And your son is, what grade you in now?
I'm a sophomore, 10th grade.
And he's the president of his science club.
Okay, so that is your forte then, staying in science?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And thank you for this opportunity to speak to you.
All right, we'll be on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
15 minutes to getting on the loading station. Bouncing out of the minus to robotics, the red ball. Over the blue side, 751, Part 2 robotics. Inbounding from blue. Pushing across the field. Hitting the wolf back. Rio Ray Collins inbounding to the blue ball. Taking possession. Here's 115. Flying up, middle of the top address, 13. 2085, the Robotics. Picking up that ball. 751 gets right place for defense against him. Now it's all Robotics are used to this. Flying up, and shoots. Scores! There's 115. Dropping the ball on the field. Robotics going to chase that one down. 32-57, the Vortex trying to go after the blue ball. Two blue teams hammer on 115. 115 passing it off to Robotics. Robotics line up, shoot and score. One of us, the 115, line up from the inbound. Take the ball from the human player. Lose the ball on the field, they're going to spin around, try to pick the ball back up. 3257 gets disabled for leaving their opponent on the field. You can't play this game without bumpers. Here goes 115 lining it up. Let the springs go. Here goes Robotics chasing that ball down. Getting into the shooter. Locking in. Line up, here comes the shot. Player, Raptor Force gonna run over that hidden player station lineup. Here comes 4669. Galileo Robotics, they're passing off to Aragon, ART. Oh, and another miss by Raptor Force. Missing the trust shot. 30 seconds left on the clock. Raptor Force shoots. Oh, and out of bounds it goes. Raptor Force inbounding the ball. Lining up. Here's a shot. Oh, bounced off the center wall. Blue Lions starting another cycle. 46-69 inbounding. Galileo Robotics passing it off on the ground. Pushing through, 1 second left. And that's our match.
Okay, so did you weigh in?
They're working on it right now.
Okay.
Match 103, followed by match 104 to queuing.
Who is
103 and 104.
What's that mean, Natalie? They're working on it.
They're getting the robot inspected again.
Oh, okay.
Because that was our final match.
Okay, so did you run that time?
Were you out there that time?
No, we just missed it.
We got there right when they do it.
All right, here we go. Go ahead, Kyle. What happened?
We were heading to queuing, and when we got there, we heard the match ended.
Okay, so it wasn't ready to go?
We tried to get as fast as we could, but we couldn't get further match.
Okay, so you missed 2 matches today?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was your overall experience?
Enlightening?
Of being here?
Enlightening?
The learning curve?
Yeah.
The learning curve. Okay, here Natalie, turn around. You got it right there, you got it. Come on. Okay, so what was, oh, excuse me, what was your learning experience today?
Watch out!
Hold on, wait. This is what you say.
Huh? Anything? Huh?
We had to work on a lot more during build season.
Okay.
And
Do you think that you're ready this year compared to last year, or?
no, we were not ready for this year.
Okay. So going back to class, do you have some ideas of how to improve the robot?
Repeat the question?
Do you think that you have, is there some weak spots that the team needs to work on?
Working together, knowing what their job is, and learning what they're supposed to be doing.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to get photos.
Hang on here. Go ahead, Randy. So, okay, Randy, what was your experience of today at the competition?
We made it to 1 match successfully, and it still wasn't even successful.
Okay, so is there some weak spots in the team that you need to work on?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that after coming and going through competition, it's better when you go back to class when you're back in the shop?
Yeah.
So the team knows where the weak spots are and needs to work on certain areas?
It helps a lot to know where our weak points are so we know how to fix them right away.
Okay. Is there going to be any more competition during the year?
I'm not sure about this. I'm not going to keep track of that.
All right. And Randy, what's your last name?
Smith.
Smith. All right. And so you are a...
Excuse me, Randy.
you have been on the team for how long?
3 years.
Okay, so you're one of the seniors now.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your ideas for, you got any specific ideas for what to do on the robot?
Well, we fixed everything that happened wrong in the last match that we were in, but we didn't really have time to actually get into our match that was last. Hopefully we'll get into the qualifying rounds.
Alright, so are you done? Is that the end of competition for you here?
No, we're going to be staying here for the awards.
Oh, okay, very good. So let's see now, Tony, right?
Yep.
All right, Tony, what was your experience here today?
My experience here today was showing me how to quickly, very, very quickly, try to get the thing back on its feet. Along with yesterday about how the robot died, we had to literally take it apart and put it back together.
Okay, so then that was your overall experience. Do you have any weak points on the team, do you think?
Weak points on the team?
Yeah.
I think it's robot programming.
And did you learn, by coming to competition today, did you learn something, so going back to the shop?
Yeah, I learned how to put together PWO games.
Okay. And it's Tony, what's your last name?
My last name is Brian.
All right. Good luck, and let's see who's next here.
Jose, take the microphone.
Okay, we're back here. Excuse me. Okay, what'd you get here today, girl?
Well, I got here today that we need to a lot of improvement on our robot.
Okay, so going back to the classroom or the shop, do you think that coming here, the experience here will help out?
Yeah, I think being here actually had a lot of impact on the whole team. Like, we now understand what's the problem, how to fix it, and how to do it more than we did 2 days ago.
So you think it's good about being around other high schools here?
Excuse me?
Is it good to be around other high schools and other teams?
Yeah, you can learn a lot. They're really helpful to all of us, and we appreciate everything all the teams have done for us.
And then you get any more ideas about, you know, how the different types of robots and how they all compete?
Yeah. There's a lot of robots that seem to have the same catching and throwing mechanism. Not very many have a cattle system that throws backwards like ours. But yeah, everybody's robots are pretty cool.
And you had a good time?
Yes, I loved it here.
Most important thing. All right, hand it off to James over there. Okay, how was the experience today, James?
Same as last year. Long, except at high speeds, very tired.
Okay, so when you go back to the shop, do you think that the experience today was beneficial to you?
It will benefit a lot of our team and some of our veterans. Like I know having them experience this again has them ready to know what to expect.
No.
But that's normally how it is for Davis. Everyone's getting used to it, so now we're just ready and whatever comes in.
And you are the computer engineer basically on the team?
Only programmer.
The only programmer, yeah. You could use some help, huh? All right, now give me your name there, Tony. James. Phil. All right, James, very good. All right, go ahead. Okay, what was your experience today?
Well, I learned that I'm safety captain, and that our robot works, and then it doesn't work.
So does the experience of being here today benefit you in the program, you think?
Yeah.
When you get back to the shop, you think you'll dial in? Do you think the team will dial in a little more after being in a competition? All right, and your name is? Okay, very good. Freshman at Vallejo High School. All right, very good. All right, you ready to go, Gary?
All right.
Gary White?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Announce it that way when you know.
Okay, Gary White, mentor for Vallejo High School, 3013, Team 3013 ZOMBOTS. Well, we have some people who have sponsored, some organizations who have sponsored us in the past, and we look forward to their continued support. We have Google, NASA, Bren Watzik Foundation, Skyview Memorial Lawns. The interesting thing about Skyview, they were one of the first sponsors, and with that being the case, when the sponsorship came on board, one of the students asked the question, does this mean we're sponsored by, quote, dead people, unquote? And from that, the name ZOMBOTS came into existence. We also have had sponsorship from Ace Hardware, Nova, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Maschetti Espresso, Clemish Incorporated, Bulldog Machining, Lions International, Minuteman Press, Agreco, Valero, and Mountain Mike's Pizza.
And so you had a good competition today here in Davis?
It was challenging. We learned some things. We have kind of a young group. I think 50% of our students that we have on our team currently today, if my statistics are correct, we have about half of our team are ninth graders. So we have a young team. They are very capable, talented, gifted, and they have a whole bunch of potential. I'm really excited about what they're going to do. First is FIRST for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. It's to motivate the students to get excited about careers in technology and about the application of science and technology. This gives them a hands-on experience, opportunity to learn things anywhere from electrical, mechanical, programming, as well as media marketing, meeting people. There are a lot of teams out here, so they interact with each other. They show spirit, and there are quite a few things that they learn. It's almost like a mini corporation. They learn entrepreneurship, and so and also teamwork. So I'm very excited about what they can do. Not only that, it sets them up for a successful start for college and also career and scholarship opportunities.